4. Perfecto.
Yes.
Alright, so for that, and I guess spaghetti sauce. So this is a whole big chunk of cloves of garlic. This one really got me a big one here. Okay, you want my help? Here. If you'll hold it up for me. Try that. There you go. Nice.
This is like when we make mac and cheese, right?
Yeah.
You melt the butter, don't you? When you got a little something at the bottom.
Hey Mom, how about tonight when we get home, we can make mac and cheese?
Ooh, so strong, Bo.
Look, and now your mom, see what you made happen? The garlic came
that's
through.
cool. What do you even call this thing?
The garlic press.
That's melted.
You got nice fresh garlic in there.
Yeah.
And it's not too much trouble.
That's nice.
Yes, can you help me pour in? Okay, this is called a 1-cut nut. Do you like rice? Rice is good. Emma, almost there? Emma there? Okay.
Under the body
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you did good. Yeah, that's okay. Help me. There you go.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Okay. Now, oil, and then we will let it sit. What we can do is how about we put them in here? That way. Here. And reach high up and don't touch the edge. Make sure it doesn't.
Sister Bridget, do you live in the area or somewhere nearby? You live here? Like,
Yeah. So I pointed and I'm like, she lives right there. Right there, not too close. Okay. I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna make sure we let the steam off so it didn't hit us in the face. Then, touch the pan, it's hot. But can you dump the cheese in? There we go. And that's it. Okay. Now. Well, it depends a little bit on the kids, but yeah. And I suppose one advantage is if it is a little crispy, is that it's kind of a combination of the crispy and soft.
yeah.
And you get a little bit more of the vitamin C content over crispy. Okay. Okay. So do you want to have your mom's help to climb down? Because I got to open the oven door and I don't want to. Put you with a glass to heat. Okay. So remember, adults always open the oven. We're going to put this on top here. Right there on the top. And then somebody says we forgot to open it. Also, just try the rice and broccoli. Whatever you like. It's a little bit spicy, but it's chilies. That's it. Does it seem soft? It's not soft.
Oh, I think it's soft.
Is it salty?
It's so soft.
A little bit soft.
What's your favorite part of it?
That's okay. Sometimes we try new things and we aren't sure about them, but if we keep trying, we'll eventually think that they're okay. And then sometimes we even like it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think it's good. It's very cheesy and lots of good broccoli. Does it
That's
smell
pretty
good?
good. Huh? You worked hard on that.
Yes, you
For all the
did.
chopping you did for the broccoli. Yeah.
Does it smell good?
That smells like cheese.
Yeah,
does
we
smell
like cheese, don't we? Yeah.
You can
I'm
also
gonna
always
use
make
a
it the way you
yellow.
want to make it next time.
Okay.
You could say, Mom, this time let's leave the chilies out. And do it just with the cheese. There we go. Hey, thanks for coming today.
They're gonna listen to
Okay, well, we put it in my lap.